We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for creating detailed reports. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Sign in with your OpenAI account details if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main ChatGPT page, you'll see the chat interface where you can type your queries. Start by clearly defining the topic or the specific area you want your report to focus on. For example, you might want to generate a market analysis or a project summary. Type in something like, "Can you help me create a report on the latest trends in renewable energy?" ChatGPT will generate a structured response. You can then refine this by asking more specific questions, such as, "What are the key benefits of solar energy in 2026?" Or list some recent advancements in wind turbine technology. As you interact with ChatGPT, it helps to save the responses in a document or note-taking app to keep track of the information. If you need to include data or statistics, you can ask, "Provide recent statistics on global solar energy usage." ChatGPT is equipped to provide relevant data if available. Remember, if you need to adjust the tone or style, you can ask ChatGPT to rephrase sections. For example, "Can you make this more formal?" or "Simplify this explanation." Once you've gathered all the information, you can use it to compile your report, ensuring you organize it into sections like introduction, body, and conclusion for coherency. Don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT for assistance with formatting or structuring your report. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to create comprehensive reports efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.